In this video, we'll start a project menu. To create new screen, choose appropriate menu item. New server you can create by clicking on appropriate menu item. To create new script, click on the appropriate menu item. To create new tag, click appropriate menu item. Choose new database, history, recipe, or do ERP in the appropriate menu item. To create new report, click appropriate menu item. To create new user, choose appropriate menu item. To create new graphical object, click New Object menu item. To imitate behavior of the project, click Run Simulation menu item. To stop imitation project working, click Stop Simulation menu item. If you want to change user during running of the project, you have to click Login menu item. To open project properties, click appropriate menu item. If you want to check number of used tags in your project, click appropriate menu item. It's useful for license choosing. Local tags are not counted. Tags should be bound to the server. If you want to make screenshot of your project, click appropriate menu item. If you want to show properties value during running of the project simulation, click appropriate menu item. To get properties values, you have to place cursor over the object and wait several seconds. To show hide property sheet, click appropriate menu item. To enable virtual keyboard, click appropriate menu item. Graphical style can be chosen in appropriate menu item. Thank you for watching.